Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from MetaMask. It's important to understand that MetaMask is a self-custodial wallet for digital assets, not a bank. Therefore, you cannot directly withdraw fiat currency from it. The only way to convert your cryptocurrency into cash is by sending it to a centralized exchange, where you can then sell it and initiate a fiat withdrawal to your bank account. This process ensures secure and compliant transactions. First, you need to transfer your cryptocurrency from MetaMask to a reputable exchange. Open your chosen exchange and navigate to the deposit section for the specific crypto you wish to withdraw. You will find a unique deposit address there. Copy this address precisely. Then, in MetaMask, select the asset, click Send, paste the address, and enter the amount. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction to ensure accuracy and security. Once your cryptocurrency arrives on the exchange, the next step is to sell it for fiat currency. Go to the trading section and find the appropriate trading pair, for example, Ethereum versus US dollars. Place a sell order for the amount you wish to convert. Most exchanges offer market or limit orders. Confirm the transaction, noting any small trading fees, often around 0.1% to 0.5%, before finalizing the sale. Your funds will then appear as fiat currency. Finally, with your funds now in fiat currency on the exchange, you can initiate a withdrawal to your bank account. Navigate to the withdrawal section and select your preferred method, such as a bank transfer or debit card. Enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw and carefully verify all your banking details. Withdrawal processing times can vary, usually taking between 1 and 5 business days, depending on your bank and the exchange's policies. Always confirm the final amount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.